Welcome to the northeast side of Grand Rapids. We're here at our newest listing, 1525 Houseman. I'm Bailey Budnick with Smalligan Real Estate. Let's go check it out. Right away from the front door, you're greeted by the large living space. This room is soaked in natural light, is big enough for gatherings of any size, and it also has a dining nook. Right off the living room, you find yourself in the nice functional kitchen, tons of counter space for prep, and the laundry is right off the back. The home also boasts 2 large bedrooms, each with their own closets, and the full bath is right down the hall. Coming to the back of the property, you immediately see the large deck, perfect for entertaining and grilling. The large, almost quarter-acre lot is great for gardening, and you've got a fire pit out back for bonfires. And to top it all off, you got a big 2-stall garage. Reach out with questions, schedule your showing today, or come to one of our open houses, Saturday, Sunday from noon to 2. Hope to see you there.